Good morning. I am Dr. Ravishankar CV, Professor and HOD, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Department of Electronics, Samram Institute of Technology, Bangalore. I am very happy to put my view about the 4 days National Skill Building Workshop for the skills of post-COVID world, which was held between 28th to till today, 4 days program, which is conducted by Kannada Sangha's Kaveri College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Pune, in association with SkillSlate and MKCL Pune. I am very happy and proud that Mr. Ameya Agarwal really did very well. They arranged this program. Actually, he arranged many resource persons around India, and they are doing good by providing a lot of information about various topics. Almost the daily 2 topics they have discussed, and it is really informative and very huge resource for the teachers as well as the students also. Actually, it contains two things in it. One is actually for the teacher side, another is for the student side. See what students are expecting and what faculty has to deliver. These two things are very important in especially for the present job scenario, interviews, and getting knowledge and skills about present day requirements and soft skills, analytical skills, all these, and even how to prepare biodata, how to impress the interviewer, or how to get selected, and even after selecting, how to develop your career. So many things actually it was deliberated in all these 4 days, including today. I am waiting for this one program. And the first day actually on 28/9/2020, so it was started with changing job practice and career opportunities, and then the second session is resume a pathway to career building. These two are very informative. And on the day 2 on 29/9/2020, so 2 sessions again, effective time management, and another one is building digital profile. That was also very important and impressive. Even I was regularly seeing the charts, things, what and all participants are expressing their views and all. It was very good, and the resource persons were deliberate in depth about all the concepts like. And next on day 3, 3rd September, that is yesterday, mastering interview skills, and another session campus to corporate. Those things, and today actually it is already started, corporate manners and etiquette and decoding group discussion. So all these things are really very helpful for the students and even junior faculty members also. And at the same time, for the seniors like me, I have also many times we are also having lot of informations with us and about all these interviews, biodatas, profiles, and how to prepare for interviews, all those things. Regularly we are giving information to students also. But these are the platform where it is very important to listen to the people, because actually if they were ready to give a talk of 1 hour, it is a preparation of minimum 3 to 4 days, and each slide actually requires it is an extract or filtering of almost 4 to 10 documents or sources, and then actually it is filtered into one slide. And many times I have come across the participants are asking, please share the PPTs. See friends, sharing the PPT is actually only you will have the content, but the explanation what resource person is giving along with each PPT content, that is more important, because it is their view, and like that actually so many resource people are giving their views and opinions. That itself is a very huge resource for anybody. Even the students has to listen to that. Along with seeing that particular slide, they have to listen to the resource people. Really, it was. I am also very felt amazed about listening to many such resource people, and many thoughts came from my mind also when they are telling that. And sometimes I wondered, oh, this point actually, oh, I have also not thought about. Yes, good. This idea or this information is very good. And sometimes I thought, okay, this information I have still not told to my students. See, like this actually, this type of webinars, this type of seminars, or this type of interaction, speech, especially related to this interviews and job profile, career related, and time management, developing a digital profile. These are all actually present day requirements, because our students, maybe they are good at IQ. But more than that IQ, the common sense, presence of mind, and thinking about present situation, and if we are going to job, so that particular company background, history, and what type of job profile we are going for, that whether we are prepared or not, how even in HR or technical interview, how to face them, how to impress them, how to project ourselves as a positive things, and what and all negatives we are having, how to avoid that type of negatives. See, so much things are there. Nobody has written till date one great book which contains all these things in one shot. So it is actually individual perspective, individual views, and at the same time, this is also very, very important that each one has got his or her own experiences. So they have to share with us, and this is one platform where actually they are sharing their information. Even I have seen some young people, young resource people also actually gave a talk and session. That is very, very handy, because they are the people who are just for the present day final year students are like, they are the just seniors to you, and their information is very, very important, so that you can update your knowledge or skill or your certifications, all these things. And now another thing I want to say, because see, for every such programs what and all come across, people will ask, sir, when you will give certificate. See, frankly speaking, this is also my personal view. Don't worry about certificate. You should worry about knowledge what you gain. Automatically, what I want to say is, if you wanted to write a pyramid, that first base is actually your knowledge, then skill, then actually your education, then automatically qualification, then certification. So, but actually it is reverse now. All the students and our junior faculty members think that first they want a certificate, then actually they are thinking that they got qualification. Okay, next actually they are thinking about skill, knowledge, all those things. So this is not the way. I hope in this direction, this knowledge as well as the skills indirectly disseminated to all the participants of this program. And I am really happy attending all these programs, and I am seeing very enthusiastic attendees, and from beginning to end, all are actually enthusiastically attended, and they are putting their questions and this one their views also, and ably the resource persons are also solved and their doubts. And so that deliberations is very, very important. Once again, thank you very much for Amay Agarwal and his team, and this one that Kannada Sangha's Kaveri College team who and all supported this whole program. Back-end support they have done, and it is wonderful, this program. Now actually from tomorrow what to do, this type of things is not there. So again I have to ask Amay Agarwal to come out with another type of program which is helpful for our younger students, so that they can shape their career in a right direction, in a positive direction. These are the views from my end. Thank you very much once again. Thank you all.